I welcome to all of you in today's video. Today I'm going to talk about Baldur's Gate 3 reviews, and in this video you will get to know about all important information regarding it. So watch this video till end. Baldur's Gate 3 has finally launched into early access, giving eager fans a chance to pre-order and get a sneak peek at Larian Studios' much sought after new entry to the iconic RPG franchise. So what is Baldur's Gate 3? Baldur's Gate 3 is a strategy RPG in the same genre as Larian's previous Divinity Original Sin series of games. It tasks you to take control of a pre-built or custom character, build a party, and navigate a hostile world set in the Dungeons and Dragons universe. In terms of story, as the name would imply, it's a sequel to the iconic Baldur's Gate 2 that launched all the way back in 2000. However, rather than being a direct follow-up to the previous game's narrative, Baldur's Gate 3 is set 100 years after the first game's epic story concluded. Larian hasn't confirmed if there will be any direct overlap and downplayed all questions from trusted reviews about if we would see some similar faces, but it's likely trying to keep such reveals a surprise for hardcore fans. So Baldur's Gate 3 Early Access is a sneak peek, not full release of the game. Early Access is a new release strategy that lets developers release early builds of the game to get user feedback and free quality assurance testing for bugs from the community. As a result, the build on offer is constantly changing as the developer updates it. So what you're playing may not be representative of the full final release. This is particularly true on the current build of Baldur's Gate 3, which currently includes a playable version of the game's first act and online multiplayers, so you can raid dungeons with up to 3 friends. Guys, before talking about it further, I would like to request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, as this will motivate us to make more such informative videos for you. Now let us talk about it further. Baldur's Gate 3 is still very much a work in progress, but the early access build oozes potential, featuring great character creation, dynamics, amazingly varied combat mechanics, and a rich and vibrant premise that looks set to do the epic RPG franchise justice. But it is not a full game yet. As a result, if you just want to play for its story, you will be better off waiting and hitting it fresh when the final product finally appears sometime next year. The only players that will really benefit from it in its current state are hardcore fans that want to be part of the game's development by offering Larian direct feedback as it is made. The full version of Baldur's Gate 3 doesn't have a formal release date, though Larian has reported plans to have the final build in 2021. Guys, I hope this video was somewhat informative for you. So don't forget to share your reviews about today's video in the comment box below. Also, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a beautiful day.